So again, I am Marcus Esquiballo. So for today, we are going to discuss the order of a group and the order of subgroups. We have here again the group table that we constructed. So here we have the table of the group and the subgroups, which are the improper subgroup, trivial subgroup, and also the proper subgroup. We have here a group, and we all know that set G has have a 16 elements, which are MARCOSQT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is combination of numbers and letters. So when we define the divisors of 16, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So the order of the group and the subgroups is related to each other. So we have here the trivial subgroup. We have one element, and the order of subgroup of trivial subgroup is one. And for G sub 2 to G sub 10, the order of the subgroup is 2. And for G sub 11 to G sub 15, the order of the subgroup is 4. And for G sub 16 to G sub 18, the order of group is 8. The order of the group and the subgroup determines the divisor and the cardinality of the set. So for order of 16, we have 16 elements. For order of 1, we have one element. For order of 2, we have two elements in every set. And for order of 4, we have four elements in every set. So for order of 8, we have 8 elements in each set. So here the lattice diagram. So for row 1, we have the order of 16, which have a 16 elements. And for row 2, we have 8 elements, order of 8. In order of 8, we have three set, which which are G16 to G18, which are order of 8 because all of this set has a 8 elements. So for row 3, order of 4, we have G sub 11 to G sub 15. All of the set uh, is order of 4. And for row 5, for G sub 2 to G sub 10, all of this set containing two elements which is order of 2, under the order of 2. And for row 5, we have the trivial subgroup, which is the G sub 1. So it is order of 1 because it has one and only element. So we can conclude that the order of the group, which is 16, is related in the order of its subgroup in such a way that the order of the subgroup is the same as the divisors or the factors of the order of the group. So that's the discussion for today. And thank you for listening and watching. Thank you, everyone. God bless.